Telegram has got a new 7.9 update and introduced its users with even more amazing improvements. Among them, group calls, video messages, and a lot of other features. In this video, we're gonna look at them in detail. I promise, it's gonna be fascinating. Like this video right now if you've been waiting for the update too. You encourage me to make new, even more exciting videos. And let's get into it. In July, the Telegram team went to great lengths and released 2 updates. I'll remind you that in the middle of the month, we got a couple of nice innovations that I talked about in my previous video. And at the end of July, the users got a more major update. It's the latest 7.9 version of Telegram, and as its developers promised, they increased the number of people in group video calls. It's now up to 1,000 viewers. The press release of the update says that in the new versions, the limit will be removed altogether, and the number will be unlimited, as it is now in Telegram voice chats. Let me remind you that each and every one of you can create an audio or video conference. For this, on Android, in the group menu, click on 3 vertical dots, and then choose Voice Chat. If you want to turn the video on, just start sharing your screen. On iOS, you have to click Voice Chat in the group profile, and you're free to talk by video with other viewers. But let's not forget that in order to be able to start audio or video calls in groups and channels, you have to be an admin. The major update also got Video Messages 2.0. In the new version, the developers first increased the quality of the video messages, and I mean, you can tell they have higher resolution now. In addition, when recording and playing, video messages expand, and if you tap on them, they pause and give you the opportunity to fast forward or rewind the message in case you missed a word. But that's not it. If you're listening to the music and you want to record a video message, the audio from your device will keep playing and won't stop like it was before. Video messages also got the zoom feature. You just have to pinch to zoom while recording. By the way, if you release it, zoom will return to its original position. I don't yet fully understand why, but anyways. While iOS users can only zoom in using the rear camera, Android devices can use the front one too. Overall, I really like the way the video messages were updated. It's become more fun to talk and make videos. How do you find it? Let me know in the comments after you finish this video if you like the new update and what do you like the best and why. I'm gonna answer the most interesting questions in my next video. In the 7.9 version, Telegram added the possibility to slow down or speed up the video. Previously, you could double the video and audio playback speed. And now, when you watch a video in full screen mode, you can click on the 3 vertical dots in the right corner of the screen and change your video playback speed. Here you can also find the Save button, which allows you to upload a video to your device. Speed changes work for both Telegram videos and YouTube videos too. I would point out that switching between the playback speeds is available not only on mobile versions, but also on desktop ones too. Earlier, putting a timestamp in the captions or replies to videos and YouTube links let users jump to the exact second. To do that, when sending a video, you had to specify the time in the format you see on the screen now. And now, you can just press and hold on a timestamp in a message to copy the link and share the moment in another chat, though it's only available on Android devices. With a new version of the Messenger, screen sharing is now available not only in group video calls, but also in one-to-one calls, and now includes the sound from your device when broadcasting in any video call. I know how many people have been expecting it, and we finally got it. When switching on video during any call, you can swipe to choose a camera or share your screen instead, and use the video preview to make sure that everything is perfect before going live. The auto-delete feature has also been updated. Now, in addition to the 1-day and 1-week limits, messages in any chat can be set to erase themselves after 1 month. To enable the timer on Android, tap the 3 vertical dots, then click History and choose a duration. On iOS, press and hold a message, tap Select, then Clear Chat in the top left corner, and enable auto-delete, and finally choose a duration. The Telegram media editor was also affected. Users can now add a drawing, text, or sticker to the picture or video before sending them. To draw little details, the width of your brush now decreases as you zoom in. The user can change the size of it too. To change the width of your brush at any time, drag the dot up from the color selector. The editor has also been updated for the desktop version. Before sending a photo or screenshot, you can crop, rotate, or flip images, and of course add drawings or stickers. Your edited versions can be sent as uncompressed files by unchecking the Compress Images box. By the way, you can see how the messengers are now floating into the chat when you send them in the desktop version. It looks so good and much better than it was before. Next, we have even more fascinating features to tell you about, so stay with us please. If you're new to our channel, it's time to subscribe and ring the bell to get new videos first. Join the club of the most amazing Telegrammers in the world. Do it right now, and we're moving on. Telegram continues to improve its animations. New animations make the passcode lock interface even snappier than before. If you're using an animated background, it will also appear on the passcode lock screen. It looks just great, like the video if you think so too. Telegram introduced a new password recovery mechanism with the previous update. I won't go into details of this feature, but I recommend you check my previous video on the channel, where I described everything in detail. iOS users got an improved in-app camera. It now utilizes all zoom levels on your device, including 0.5x and 2x if available. You can also press and hold to open a zoom wheel that lets you zoom in and out with granular control. The same iOS devices have now the option of choosing multiple users to send messages. Select the message, then click Forward, then select in the right corner of the screen, thereby allowing you to select multiple users at once. Whereas to select multiple chats, for example for bulk actions like archive, delete, or mark all as read, scroll with 2 fingers in the chat. On all mobile platforms, profile pictures now follow the messages as you scroll in group chats, so you always know who sent each one. And of course, no Telegram update is complete without new animated emojis. As always, simply send a message with a single emoji to get one of them in a chat. I'm gonna ask you to share in the comments which improvement in the new update you liked the best. And of course, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell to support my efforts. That's all I have, thanks for watching. It's the Teleblog channel. Subscribe and be trendy.